So what do you guys think? You think you're big enough to venture out on your own for a change? I got the door all unlatched. Moved the rock at the bottom. You think you can fend for yourselves? More importantly, you think you can remember to come back at night? For some reason, you won't even go inside and roost on the bar I made in there. I had to put a bar out here for you. You're just too stubborn to roost inside. Even though you lived exclusively inside for 3 weeks before I built this outer pen. Maybe more than 3 weeks. Maybe 4. You guys think you can handle being out here walking free? Will you come back at the end of the night? Stay away from hawks? Where you at, Captain? Where you at, Captain? There you are. You gotta watch out for these girls. You gotta keep an eye open. Let out that squawk so they can get in and get safe, right? Let's see what happens. See if you guys know what to do. I'm gonna put a little something here to make sure that door doesn't get blown shut by the wind. Let's see what happens. They're following me. They don't even realize they're free. Let's go over here where they can see where I'm at. Realize that door is open. They're like, hey, the door's open. I can go outside. Never been out here. What's out here? Yeah. Is that the captain? I think that's the captain. Going out to explore. I'm gonna check things out first, make sure it's safe. They're not crowing, they're not laying eggs. I don't know if they're old enough for this. Apparently they don't know either. So come on, guys. It's freedom. It's freedom. Kind of hot to be standing out here waiting on you. Come on, Captain. Just lead the way. Come out here and peck a few things, and they'll be like, ooh, is there food out there? Had this problem when I first opened up the coop to the outside run. They weren't sure what they wanted to do. It's like I can see out. I don't know if I should go out. Here we got an adventurous one, setting a foot out, sticking a head out. Somebody's got to go first, right? I figured it'd be one of the gray ones. They're second. The gray ones seem to be the most adventurous out of all of them. I kind of wish now I'd have saved some of those grub worms so I could attract them to come over here. I don't want to holler their call when I don't have anything for them. I can entice them out with a handful of grass. When I give them a clump of grass inside, they all go crazy over it because there's bugs and stuff in it. So maybe if I give them a little fresh grass, get them to come out and try it. Nope. They're trying to figure out how to get out there because the other two went over to the side. They think, oh, how'd you get through this fence? They're not the smartest animals in the world, are they? We'll just come back and check on you guys later, see if you got it figured out. Now let's come out and see how the chickens are doing. Since I brought them outside, I let them out. Doesn't look like they all got out yet. So a few of them still in there. Hey, you guys are still in your pen too, but I never let you loose. See what we got here. I don't see any of them out here in the grass pecking and scratching. Like they come out, but all they do is go over to the other side and try to figure out how to get back in. Chickens aren't the smartest animals around, that's for sure. Look at them. All they're trying to do is figure out how to get back in with the flock. Come on, you guys. Come out the door. Come out the door. Look at them. One's inside, want to figure out how to get out. One's outside, are trying. All they're doing is trying to figure out how to get back in. I don't want to chase you out because then you might think you're not welcome back. Yeah, there's nothing there, chickie. Like the way you turn your head to double check there. It's like, no, that fence is gone. I guess me being here encourages you to come out a little bit, huh? Y'all kind of got hung up on trying to get from one side of the fence to the other. The ones outside wanted in, the ones inside wanted out, and nobody was doing anything. There, we're starting to come out. There, we're starting to come out. Look at them go for that nice fresh grass. They like that. Nice fresh grass. Yeah, I think they're figuring it out now. That's better. I see you guys out here scratching and pecking. Right outside that open door. I think they'll figure it out. Gray ones are usually the most adventurous. They're the first ones to try anything new. Come on, Captain, get over here. He's still up there pecking in the dirt. He's been pecking in dirt for weeks. Get out here in the fresh grass, you moron. You got to be watching the skies. Keep these chickens safe. Can't trust these other guys. Look at him now, would you? Look at him now. He finally noticed that they're over here. He's like, hey, what are you guys doing? Ooh, grass, bugs. Yeah, Captain, you got to be out here to keep an eye on things. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. You can fly as high as you want now. You can get up on the rooftop if you want. Don't recommend it, but you could. Kept their wings unclipped. If something comes after them, I want them to be able to fly. Well, most of them made their way out. I think the rest of them will come soon enough. I'm just not real sure about it. I think you give them a little time, they'll all be out here. We'll see what the critter situation's like. Am I going to lose any chickens? I certainly hope not. I certainly hope not. Oh, look, a watermelon. A watermelon plant. I'll have to give him some fertilizer. I have to apologize. When we went to put the chickens away, I had every intention of videoing that as well and putting it in the video. But I forgot. I was very, very tired. Why? Well, been working on this all day. You'll see a little bit more of that in an upcoming video as well. But thanks for watching.